Hello and welcome to Bailey's. Basically we're just going to do a really quick video just explaining some of the parts of the Wildcat moderators and basic maintenance. So for a start, you've got this Wildcat Panther moderator, absolutely cracking little over barrel mod. I love these to bits. Basically there's three parts. You've got the outer tube, you've got the diffuser, and you've got the inner tube set. So from the back of the moderator, you can get spanners for this. You unscrew, that is your inner tube just there, threaded on the inside, and a washer just round the not a washer, a rubber o-ring just round the back, just there, as you can see. So this is your outer tube. Push your diffuser out. So there's your outer tube, as you can see. It has got indentations around there which locate on the diffuser. I'll show you those in a second. And then this is your diffuser. Now these are different colours depending on which calibre you've got, but as you can see you've got an O-ring here and you've got a small O-ring just there as well. On the inside is dependent upon what rifle this is going on. This is 1/28, and it's that simple. So when you clean these, it's just a case of washing them, removing all of the excess debris you will get from 22LR. 17 HMR is not too bad, it's quite a hot round, but 22 rimfire, these get mucky as hell. So give them a right good wash, hot soapy water, remove any debris, clean them up in general, let them on the side to dry, or dry them by hand, and then let the internals dry inside these little holes. And when you come back to put it back together, either put lithium grease, copper grease, or anything on the O-rings and on the threads all around the mod, and it'll just help to maintain it and make it easy to take apart. So to put this back together, like I said, just round here you've got these little, is that going to focus? Sort of. You've got these little nodules sticking out. They line up with those ones. So it goes back in, pop, they'll locate, as you can see there, and then you get your inner tube set. Same situation, copper grease or lithium grease on the inside of that thread, and some on the rubber O-ring at the back. Pop that straight in, and you are good to go shooting again. Put this up for storage or whatever you're going to do. That's your moderator complete. Moving on to the Evo. A few more parts to this. You have got the diffuser itself. This one is red, it is in 308, it has been used, it's a bit mucky at the minute, but you've got an O-ring there, you've got an O-ring there near the conical itself, and you've got an O-ring there. On shorter barrels and on certain fast burning rounds, you can get a little bit of peppering on there, especially with the older conicals. You've got quite a bit, but that depends on your barrel length, how much hot powdery goodness you've got coming out the end of your barrel. But apart from that, that is your diffuser. This is your outer baffle set. That's this. So your diffuser, which I've shown you the rubber O-rings on there, pops straight in, and you'll hear a nice noise when it just goes. Oh, you won't hear it, but it's located, it's flush on the bottom, it's flush around these edges, that is located. Yet again, these threads, lithium grease, copper grease, keep them greased. This is your bridge. This one is 18x1. You can get these in all different variations for different threads on different barrels, but this is your bridge. So this is another option you can change. You've got an O-ring there and an O-ring there. I suggest you keep those lubricated, lithium grease or copper grease. Same with that one there, and also this thread on the inside here. So that goes straight onto the back of here, just like that. Now as you can see here, you've got a grub screw, which is an Allen key grub screw just there, and on your outer tube, which is this, you have got a little cutout just there. So obviously when you put this together, put her in, keep that O-ring lubricated as well, because as it goes in, that seats over there just like that, as you can see. And then you've got your inner tube, which has got an O-ring here, which needs to be lubricated. And you've got a thread on the inside and a thread on the back as well there. This drops straight in, nice and comfortably, and tightens up like that. Now normally on the very back of this, there would be an extra rear bush. I've not got it on this, it's on my other moderator. But that's your moderator complete. Basically, they're all the same in that respect. They're all made up of the same kind of components. The Pred 12 and the Pred 8 is the same as well. You've got your outer baffle, your diffuser on the inside. You've got your bush, not your bush, Jesus Christ. Your bridge section in the middle, your inner tube and your outer tube, and that's very much the same through the range. As long as you maintain them, keep them clean, keep everything lubricated and greased, copper grease, all that kind of stuff, you'll have no issues with these moderators at all. If you do need any new seals, if the seals get hard over time or they need replacing, you can get the seal kits both on our website and from Wildcat as well. But yeah, so that's the Evolution. That is the Panther, and the Pred 12 I'm not going to strip this one down, but it's basically the same system as what's in the Evo. So you've got your bridge section in there, you've got your diffuser inside, which is colour coded depending on calibre, you've got your outer tube, inner tube, and then you'd have a rear bush on there as well, but that's on my 308. So yeah, there you go. Just so people know, if you maintain them, you keep them clean, you'll have no issues, and they'll be perfect for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.